So first off, I just want to say Happy New Year, you guys. I know I've been MIA for a while, but I've just been trying to get everything together for my channel this year. So pretty much for this video, I'm just going to be doing a get ready with me for 2019. And I hope you guys enjoy this look. And I'm just going to talk to you guys. I want to be just so transparent with you guys this year. And I just want to do a little bit of talking, and then we're going to get started with the makeup. And second of all, like, I just want to add so much more to my channel. That's why my channel is just my name, Shadasheia G, because it's just my life. So yeah, pretty much this year, that's what you guys can look forward to. You will still get makeup. You would definitely be getting more weight loss videos, and you just be getting more of me. You'll also be getting more of me and my family as well. So just be on the lookout for that. And we're just gonna go ahead and get into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Focus, focus. Okay, let me go ahead and say that if you hear any background noise, y'all, my kids is up. It's nighttime, and I don't know why they're still up. They still gotta eat dinner, as well as my fan is on, my AC on. Y'all, it's already January, and this weather is still, Georgia weather is, it'd be 70s one day, and then one day it'll be like in the 50s. I'm gonna start by priming my face using my Clean Slate Timeless by Tarte. And I'm just put this all over my face. Definitely in the areas like on my T-zone where I get oily. Usually in the wintertime, my skin, I have combination skin, so in the wintertime, my skin just do what it wants. It'll dry out sometimes, especially like around my nose, because a lot of times my skin just dries out. So usually before I prime my face, I'll add like a facial serum on my skin. I try not to always use matte foundation in the wintertime, but y'all, I love matte foundation, so it's just kind of hard to switch up and use like a different foundation. Lately I was using cocoa, but to me it's really red. And then warm mahogany is kind of like a cool, it has like a cool undertone. So I think mixing these two together, it just works really well with my skin complexion. And lately, y'all, I have not been doing like full squirts. I literally just do a whole bunch of dabs. I feel like they mix together really well instead of just squirting out a whole lot of foundation on your face. I feel like less is more. I'm still a full coverage girl, but I still believe less is more. You don't have to pack the foundation on your face. If you want to, you can, but you don't have to. I'm going to be using my Instapot foundation brush. Yeah, my Instapot foundation brush. And y'all, I like to spray it with, today I'm going to just spray it with this. I'm going to just spray my brush with this to blend my foundation. I'm going to go back in with the warm mahogany and add a little bit just up under my eye. And y'all, I'm not using it as concealer. I just like to add that lighter color I just feel like it helped when you do finally put your concealer up under and you go to highlight. It's just like a better base than having, like, you know, dark foundation up under your eye. It's almost like adding eyeshadow. When you put your eyeshadow on, you want to add a lighter base to make the colors pop. I feel like adding just a little lighter foundation up under your eye help your highlight to pop when you apply your concealer. I'm going in with my favorite concealer. It's the Tarte Shape Tape Double Duty Beauty in the color Deep. And a little bit of this goes a long ways. I also like to use a foundation brush just to pull my concealer down. This is another way to help you not use so much product. You can put a little product and just pull it down with a foundation brush. Pull it and then you pull it and then you tap. Pull and then tap. Make sure you're getting all the way up under your eye. So to contour, I'm going to be using the Revolution Define and Conceal in the color C18. I like to add a little right here. Okay. When I contour my nose, I really like to use powder for some reason. When I contour this area, I don't like to add any more product on the brush. I just like to use the remaining that's on the brush. I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face using the Bronzer by Morphe in the color Show Matte. For blush, I'm using the Artistine Color Baked Blush by Black Radiance in the color Warm Berry. The red is going to make everything pop, the burgundy and the eyebrows, so I want to keep everything simple. I'll be using this Hidden Gems palette that I got off Amazon, and we're just going to do something super natural and cute. I'm going in with like a darker brown shadow just to give my eyes some dimension. This color is called Amber. I'm going to run more, it's fluffy, but it's more like a precision brush, like it can fit in my crease. This is the Morphe M330 brush. And it's this color called Tanzanite. It's like a deep purple. I'm going to go in and put this color right here in my crease. I think this is a Wet n Wild brush, but I'm going to spray it, and then I'm going to go in this color Ruby. It has a little like shimmer to it. And I'm going to pop that on the top. Now I'm gonna just go on and I'm gonna pop. I think I'm gonna just do outline my lips and add just a little color. I'm just using a NYX pencil to line my lips. It's called Girl's Best Friend and it's by Revolution as well. Y'all, and I love lip gloss. I'm gonna go on top of that lip gloss with my Fenty gloss in the color Fussy.